So here are the smoked taillights from Most Plus. I've always preferred the blacked out look opposed to the standard red. I think it just gives it a cooler look. Now the stock taillights didn't look bad. They were of nice design, nice quality. They were nice and bright once I put LED bulbs in them. But it's just a huge difference when you switch from that red to that black. So that was a huge upgrade for me and really changed the look of the truck. These lights, I feel, just give a really nice look to the truck, and I'm already trying to go for that black and white look. So it definitely fits my style, and they look really good at night. This whole line right here is the running light. So you have this one and this one, which are running lights. The two in the middle are your brake lights. Those little squares in the middle are your brake lights. And then right here are your two reverse lights. So it's very clear at night. You have plenty of lights. When you're in reverse, it lights up behind you very well so that you can see through your backup camera. And in my opinion, these smoked taillights have always been very expensive to find. And yeah, there are different ways that you can smoke them out with different wraps and paints, but that never sounded like a really clean solution. And it wouldn't make your lights as bright, so it would be harder to see at night, and you run more of a chance of getting a ticket because your taillights are too dark. But these lights are 100% legal and DOT approved, so you won't have any problems. They're nice and bright. They were super easy to install, very plug and play. There were no additional parts or adapters or hardware. It just plugged into the original housing, same that the original lights would go into. They were compatible with the existing connectors. You just disconnect the old ones and plug in the new ones and you are good to go. They're completely weatherproof, so they'll hold up to dust and water, and it rained last night and you can see there's no puddles, there's no water or anything in there. A lot of people have to drill holes to drain. So that's really cool that this is completely sealed and you don't have to worry about that at all. And it does come with a resistor, so you don't get any power issues or flickering or things like that. Now, I've been looking online for a while on Amazon, different websites to try to find affordable smoked LED taillights, and they're upwards of $300, $400, $500 for LED lights. These ones were $179 for the pair, which I thought was an awesome deal, so I snagged them. And so far I've been super happy with them. So if you're interested in getting these lights for yourselves, I'll put a link in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. Now, installing these bad boys is pretty easy. You basically just drop the tailgate and you unscrew the two screws that hold it in sideways, and then the whole housing just slides backwards, and it does clip in and out, so you will hear a pop. But don't be alarmed, that's normal. And then you plug in the new wires into the existing sockets and then slide the housing back into position and tighten the screws, and that's it. You're good to go. So overall, I've been super happy with these lights. I've had them for about a month now. They've just been amazing. They look good, they work good. They're reliable, they were affordable, so I've been super happy. So if you guys want to check them out for yourself, I put a link in the description below so you can find them right there. Most Plus makes a variety of different lights for different trucks, different models, different years. Mine happens to be a 2017 F150, but you can find different years and models on their website, so check it out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.